Hi, it's me, Claire, and I'm doing another video for my lupus series. And today we're going to talk about lupus and hormones, the lupus hormone connection. I'm having a bad day today. I woke up, I knew, uh-oh, you're going to stay on the couch today. Um, I woke up to my Red River, my Aunt Flo. Um, my period had stopped coming, and then it started coming really close together, like every 20 days, and then it stopped, and now it's back. And I suppose this is perimenopause. Um, Yay! They found definite connections to lupus and hormones, female hormones. A lot of women get diagnosed with lupus during their childbearing years, which means after they've gotten their period and then, can have children in that period of time. And it's usually the worst phase of their disease is during that time. Um, it's bad. Um, I don't feel good. I feel like I've been run over by a truck after a week. I got up, made myself some sugary tea, some black tea with sugar in it, and could only eat like a little tiny bit of like a little bit of kanaka broth it's called, and I couldn't eat anything else. And I have cramps, and of course the blood flow is extreme. I woke up, there was blood everywhere. You know, I don't know if men can even imagine how it is to be a woman, and every month you have blood coming out of you for a few days. Um, it's messy. It's it gets on my nerves. I'm not gonna have any more children. When I took Imuran, when I started taking this Imuran and azathioprine as it's called in German, those immune suppressive chemotherapy drugs, uh, the paper the doctor gave me specifically said do not, you know, become pregnant in this time period, or even 6 months after you stop taking it. Just you have to promise you don't want to, have children, because it causes deformities in the unborn child and things like that. So I'm obviously done having children. My children are older. My son is going to be 20 this year, and my youngest son is 16. And I'm not gonna have any more kids. So I really would love not to have to go through years and years of this perimenopausal hot flash crap. I really hate it, and I'm complaining about it. And women who aren't ill with a chronic illness have a hard enough time with this sucker. These things. It's hard. When you have your period, a lot of women feel really sick, and that's ignored in today's society. How sick a woman feels when she gets her period. She doesn't feel good. And you're not allowed to take time off work because you have your period unless it's really, really bad and you go to the hospital or something. You can't just call in once a month and say, I'm not coming. Even though my ma, she used to do that. She used to have to stay home 3 days a month because she could not get out of bed. She would just go in her room and not come out, you know. And when you have lupus on top of all of that, you can imagine that it's really, really hard to deal with. They say that the lupus, when your hormones are high and they're active, the lupus flares. You can't take the birth control pill when you have lupus. You shouldn't take it. Hormone therapy is a big no-go because I've done it myself. I tried to take the pill at one time. When I took the pill, I lost around 30 pounds within like 4 or 5 months. I became a zombie. I felt horrible. I had pain all the time. And it was really because I fooled around with my hormones. So, you know, look at me. Do I look like I'm feeling well today? I'm obviously not. Um, and I can put on my makeup and put on my wig. You know, my hair is growing back. Look, I look like Rod Stewart. See these little spiky things? This all grew back really nice and thick at the top of my head, which I'm really happy about. I could get myself done up today, but you know what? Just because if I get myself done up and I look good, I still feel like shit. So, all you guys out there, have some empathy, whatever you want to call it, with a woman who's having her period because it sucks. And having this disease sucks too. So I'm gonna ask everybody today, have some sympathy with people who are having their visit from Aunt Flo, their period on the rag, whatever you want to call it. And peace be with you.